Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Strawberry AI token. Ticker symbol is Berry. Now this token has been trending for a little while on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Right now it is trending on DEX Screener number 9 in the Ethereum section. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Strawberry AI token can be found on Etherscan, since it's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You could also find it on CoinGecko if you're looking for the chart and the price. And you could also find it on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now their Telegram is at strawberryai_x. 3,035 members, 272 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. Along with their Twitter here, we're going to see brand new updates regarding the project, like new token listings, new partnerships, updates, all that type of stuff at strawberryai_5 on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark, 148 tweets, has a link to their webpage, link to their Telegram right there. They just joined in August 2024, and they have 1,687 followers so far on the Twitter. Now, if you go to their webpage, use strawberry.ai, you could find a Git book in the top right-hand corner of the page, like a full document section, basically, that's going to go over all the info on this project. And then there is a buy button as well on their webpage that will take you over to Uniswap. So basically how you'd get this token is, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a MetaMask Trust wallet or a Coinbase wallet. You'd fund your wallet with ETH. You can fund it from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box that you could use. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You would go into the dApps. You would find a Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Strawberry AI token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Use strawberry.ai. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We could check that in a second here. So it's trending number 8 right now on DEX Screener. They have a $3.9 million market cap. They have $261,000 in liquidity in Uniswap. And according to DEX Screener, 64.77% of that total liquidity is locked. And they have a UNCX link for that. Token price right now is about 3.99 cents per token, and they have a $1.1 million 24-hour trading volume. Now, this token pair was created 19 days, 6 hours ago on Uniswap, so it is a fairly new project. Now, they have audits by GoPlus Security, Quick Intel Security, and Token Sniffer, and they're all perfect audits. On DEX Screener, you can find those, but keep in mind those are just quick audits. They're not full audits. They don't go over everything. It does say 0% buy and sell tax, so if you are buying or selling this token from Uniswap, you probably will not have to worry about slippage. So it says Strawberry AI is an advanced AI-powered crypto-centric content interpretation and search engine. It's multimodal by design and a step toward artificial general intelligence, AGI. By leveraging LLMs, large language models, Strawberry AI parses data to create a knowledge graph answering user questions about private data sets. So Strawberry AI can connect information across vast sources and use these connections to answer questions that are difficult or impossible to solve with keyboard or vector-based search mechanisms. Building on the previous question, it provides semi-technical high-level information on how the system offers functionality for various uses. This allows Strawberry AI to answer questions that span multiple documents and address thematic queries like, what are the top themes in this data set? Strawberry AI's suite of autonomous multi-agent collaboration ensures multimodal experiences for users. Some of the features, first one is the Web3 native, so Strawberry AI is designed specifically for Web3. It allows users to submit contextually specific queries about Web3, crypto, and blockchain. By leveraging with active Web3 assets and platforms, it offers a unique interaction experience powered by smart agents. It's also decentralized, so governance, control, and value in Strawberry AI are decentralized as it operates on a publicly distributed network. This eliminates the risks associated with centralized resources and their inherent points of failure. It's also user-friendly, so Strawberry AI is building a suite of products for everyday users. Web3 and its related concepts can be complex and challenging to navigate, but Strawberry AI aims to provide complete beginners with an easy way to learn and gain experience as they explore the world of crypto. It's also ubiquitous, so Strawberry AI's products will be accessible through widely available platforms and media. Like every forward-thinking team, we're committed to onboarding the next billion users into crypto. We believe the best way to achieve this goal is by leveraging existing infrastructure and established user bases. And lastly, multimodal, so interactions with Strawberry AI can be text-based, voice-driven, or involve images and charts with seamless transitions between modes. Multiple coordinated autonomous agents work behind the scenes to deliver relevant information, offering users a completely novel experience. Now the Berry token here, how it's split up, total supply is capped at 100 million tokens, and 75% goes to the liquidity pool, 10% will go to the team, 5% central exchange listings, 5% partners, 5% community incentives, and there, like I said, there is no taxes. You will have to pay gas fees though when using Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Right now they have 1,462 holders, and yeah, trending project today, so check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.